Every project exists within organizations and settings with different cultures, business objectives, and industry dynamics. In this video, we'll discuss some different scenarios in which you would want to adopt an agile mindset. I'll also introduce you to a concept called VUCA that can help you decide which management approach is best for your project. Agile is about delivering value in a world with high degree of uncertainty, risk and competition. It sets a team up to react as quickly as possible to new information, new market opportunities, and even new technologies. Agile works best in industries or projects that are open to or that encourage change and uncertainty. What kinds of businesses or industries besides software come to mind that deal with lots of change? A few that I think of are biotechnology with emerging vaccines, treatments, and technologies, media with endless new ways to share content, the food industry with celebrity chefs and latest food craze, and fashion, an industry built on keeping up with the shifting trends. Did any of these surprise you? On the flip side, here are some industries that you might think of as fairly stable: agriculture, aerospace, manufacturing, and mining. But even these industries with rigorous supply chains and codes have to adapt to change due to new laws and regulations, natural disasters, and other unforeseen issues. One thing that the year 2020 taught all of us is that no industry is truly immune to change and uncertainty. We are going to explore a concept for categorizing and thinking about these forces that shape our world no matter what industry we are in. That concept is called VUCA, and it can help you decide which project management approach is best for you. The US Military War College developed a concept called VUCA, spelled VUCA. VUCA is an acronym that defines the conditions that affect organizations in a changing and complex world. It was designed to help us factor in the forces of change and uncertainty in our projects and businesses. VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. I'll explain each one and what that could entail in projects and business settings. First step is volatility. Volatility refers to the rate of change and churn in a business or situation. In a volatile project, you would discuss how the next disruption to your operation is always right around the corner. Or it feels like things never have time to settle into a normal rhythm. Next is uncertainty. Uncertainty refers to the lack of predictability or high potential for surprise. In an uncertain environment, it would be difficult to create plans for the future that we are not based on a large number of assumptions that could turn out to be incorrect. Then there's complexity. Complexity refers to the high number of interrelated forces, issues, organizations, and factors that would influence the project. For example, if one product being worked on relied on diverse and global suppliers, that would add to the complexity of the project. Finally, we have ambiguity. Ambiguity refers to the possibility of misunderstanding the conditions and root causes of events or circumstances. A project that suffered from ambiguity would have difficulty pinpointing the causes of project delays, making it difficult to design mitigation plans to reduce the risk. Let's recap. VUCA stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. It's a concept that was developed to deal with these forces in a changing and uncertain world. Businesses can apply the concept of VUCA as a tool for determining how best to approach projects. That's a lot of information, but it's all good stuff. Having an understanding of these concepts will help with decision making in all kinds of projects. These concepts apply to the business world at large, not just project.